Today we're unboxing the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. This one has 768 watt-hour, and this thing is fast at charging too, going from 0 to 100% in just 70 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. User manual instructions right there. Don't need. Here's the unit, 768 watt-hour. Got a nice handle here. This one uses the LFP battery technology, lithium iron phosphate, and the battery management system on this thing. Make sure that this thing handles about 3,000 plus life cycles. It'll last you a long time. Probably be like at least 10 years before you notice any degrading. It'll last you 3,000 plus cycles in this baby. The heavy duty AC plug. What I like about this is if you notice, there's no power adapter. That's because this thing plugs directly into the EcoFlow River 2 Pro and then plugs into the wall. All the chips and technology is inside, so there's no power adapter to worry about. You also get this cable. This one is for plugging into your car's DC output. This one will charge your EcoFlow by DC by plugging this one into your EcoFlow just like that. Boom. And then you can charge it by charging it through your car's DC output. You can also charge by USB-C right here, USB-C charging. So there's actually 4 ways to charge this thing. By USB-C, by AC, by DC via your car, or DC via solar panel, something like this over here. You also got a cable for DC to DC coupler. So this is for the DC right here. So if you have DC output, boom, to another DC. This is the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. You got your DC car connection, you got your AC powered plug, and you have a DC-DC connection right there. This one handles 768 watt-hour, charged from 0 to 100% in just 70 minutes. It has 4 different types of inputs. You got USB-C as input, you got AC as input, you got DC as car input, or DC as solar panel input. It handles 220 watt solar panel. Very nice lithium iron phosphate battery pack with a handle. Boom, EcoFlow.